Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Kelechi and I am a Canva expert. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this design. Okay, it's a simple design, but if I don't show you how to do it, you wouldn't know. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into it. Now the dimensions used for this design, it's 3000 by 4000 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to select add page and make this a blank page. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more tutorials when I do upload them. Now this is it. This is my blank page. This is my canvas. So let's just go into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a fashion. Hopefully I will get to see the image that I used. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is the image that I used. I just hope I got it correct. So I'm going to try and compare this one to copy this one. This is the image I used, but paste it. Nope, no, no, no. So I'm going to paste it here. Now this is the image of the lady or fashion lady. Now I am going to also I'm going to duplicate this, okay, and then remove the background remover. It's loading. Remember, you cannot remove the background of an image directly from Canva if you do not have a pro account. So it's best that you just upgrade to the pro version. Now the background is successfully removed. I'm going to apply it, and this is it. This is it. I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to duplicate this again. I want to create a shadow effect. Okay, we're going to come to that, but for now, let me just go to click on text, add a heading and the style. I didn't use Bebas, I used Anton. So Anton is the text we used, the font we used rather, and the font size, I think it's a 959 if I'm not mistaken. You want to make sure we get 959. Okay, fit, bring it here. Did I increase? Okay, increase the letter spacing just a bit. So we have style confirm. We have style and the color I use this a gray. Take all the way to the back, all the way to the back, and then I'm going to duplicate this and apply the hollow effect to it. Make sure it's the same, and then reduce the thickness of this to I think 18 should be fine. 18 should be fine. Are we getting the colors correctly? And getting the color. Yep, I think it is. So this is style. Oops, take this to the back. To the back. Yep. So we have gotten our style. Now I am going to duplicate this image and then apply. No, I'm going to delete this. Sorry, it's a mistake. So duplicate this, go to edit image, go to filter. Yeah, you filter. Go to filter and apply the use the street. Then come back here, reduce the brightness, increase the contrast, and then increase the blur. Increase the blur to let's say let me make it a 30 and take it all the way to the back. not getting what I want. So all the way to the back, and then reduce transparency to give it. I would have just used Canva has its own shadow effects, okay, which is this one, this one. But sometimes I like to do mine manually. Now it's time to apply the background. Okay, so to get this, the background color, I clicked on this. I used the color picker to add a new color and come over here. Okay, pick a color from the design, and then I selected this color. So the difference, it's not that obvious. The difference between the background housing the image of the lady, the fashion lady, it's similar to the background color. So we're almost good to go. Okay, then went to pattern. Which one did I use? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I did this some in the next tutorial, okay, because of time. So I'm going to reduce the transparency. This was I did this manually. Okay, it's quite simple, but I'm going to show you later. Now I'm going to reduce the transparency of this, okay, to, let's leave it at a 20. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is add another text that will be fashion, and the font was Baginda script regular. Okay, so I'm going to increase this to 630, 631. Okay, fashion, change the color to white, and then apply shadow effects low. Change the color to black, increase transparency. Trying to use it to at least just so style, fashion, what else is there? Then go to my start section. Then there's this circle that I start like a button, something like, yeah, okay, this, take it here, then turn it. Okay, so we are almost done with the style, fashion, and copy this here, copy this circle, paste it here. Now go to text, add the heading, 50%, Bebas new, change the color to white, to be 180. So bring it here. Then discount, discount. Okay, the font size has to be a little bit smaller so it can fit in. Combine to trade. So 50% discount. Now there's something else I did. So I'll just go to, I wanted to apply, I applied the shadow effect just after the circle here below. So where did I save it? So this is it. So I'm going to bring it here, take it to the back. Okay, then um increase the blur to, let's say, a 73. Okay, then reduce the transparency. I think a 25 or 30 would do. Okay, now we're almost done. So what's left will be just to copy this new, so it doesn't look empty. Paste it here. Copy this new also and paste it here. New style, new fashion, 50% discount. Then for more information, you visit this. And that's just pretty much how I achieved this design. So it's simple, and you can probably do something similar, and it might not be the image of this lady. You can just try it out with another with a product. Okay, you can try that with a product, maybe like a bag or a shoe, and just place it here. New style, new fashion, and advertise for your business. It is, I know those of you that maybe sell shoes online or stuff like that, this will be beneficial to you. Okay, so please try something with this, and you can always reach me on Facebook or my email or on WhatsApp. And if you want to pay for the Canva course, you can find the details in the description of this video tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys, and bye bye.